Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as akaAWOL, and this template, it looks a little chunky, doesn't it? After having done that interesting Celtic-like thing where it was kind of had that woven look, I thought that was great because it was 12 strings, but what if we made it 16? So this looks a little chunky here, but we're gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. I haven't lined up any colors or anything yet. As you know, I tend to always start with red. So, yeah, let's go with a red right here. Hang on. See, I haven't given this a whole lot of thought yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can do 4, I can do 8 colors. So let's do this one here instead. Oops, outside the space. There we go. So that we have 2 different reds. Now we need an orange. And right out the gate, kind of got a good one. Orange and a yellow. We already have a good yellow. Okay. So up here, we need to start with the green. It's really bright, but okay. So that would be the green. I'm not sure there's a smart way of making this pattern. I'm kind of winging it as I go along. But yeah, it seems to be okay. So green, next would be blue. So it definitely looks like we're getting the whole weaving thing down. Yeah, and then the blue will do the same. Oh, this is possible that this can be done with just nothing but the left and right knots. All right, now we need a purple. Across. I'm not sure if this is the smartest way of doing this up, but it's working, so I don't want to knock it, because it is a bit of a challenge. So now I need a darker purple. There we go. And again, the colors that I use are more about placeholders. I could do this whole thing in like a bunch of browns or something, you know, like 8 different shades. I probably will do a rainbow, but I'm just saying for those people who are interested in making stuff, just know that you can change things up. Okay, so making this suddenly become kind of fun. I just realized the bottom of this isn't showing. Alright. So essentially, this is what I have to do all the way to the end of the bracelet. I don't think we're going to try flipping it. I think we're just going to let this kind of work itself out the way that it goes. While I'm filling this in, we can thank my YouTube members for making this possible. This chunky bracelet is going to use a lot of string, and actually pretty much everything I do uses a lot of string. So without their help, I don't think I'd be able to do this channel. I don't make enough from just the videos themselves, so. I definitely need the help and the support. Plus, it's really motivating. Like, right now I'm actually live streaming this so that way my YouTube members can see what it's like behind the scenes. So. But yeah, I think you get the gist of what this is gonna be. It quite honestly might take me another 30 minutes or more to actually make this thing filled out all the way. So rather than doing that and making you guys have to wait, I will just have the pattern available over on my website, akaAWOL.com, and it'll be all filled in and ready to go, because that's what I do. If you have any thoughts, comments, questions, leave them down below. Or if you have patterns that you want me to work on, I would suggest using Discord. And there is a link in the YouTube video for my Discord. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, hit the like button. That would help out the channel a whole lot. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.